begin with the basic ones. Now, if I make this move, I will just remove here. Okay. Now, what do you think this move might be called in terms of notations? How do you write this?
Uh, is this E4?
Okay, e4. Let me make this move.
This is an E5?
Okay. What about this?
This is H and then with F HF3.
Okay. So, knight is actually represented by capital letter N. So, first, the letter with which you are representing the piece will come, then the square to which it is moving.
Or I mean KF. Is it then KF F4 F3?
For knight, you consider it as N.
Okay, so okay,
So, I will rotate
F3.
knight f3. Okay.
Knight
That means nf3.
F9 and F3.
Now, if I make the same similar move here with black, how do you call this as?
Is it knight C6? Wait,
Yes, this is nc6. Okay,
C6.
nc6. I'll give you just few samples and then you can go ahead. So if I move this here, what do you think might be the move in the form of notation? How do you write it?
BC5
Okay, which square is this? Square.
or C4. I mean, yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
So
This is
is it
C4.
then BC4?
Yes. Now let me make a move. Now what is this?
That is then BC5. Oh, wait. Yeah, BC5.
It is BC5. Okay. Now what is this?
That is then D3.
Okay. Now this one.
That is uh, CF through F6 and then knight is C. Was knight right?
Okay. Knight is represented as N.
Oh, so knight the knight F6. Wait,
Yes. NF6.
and F6.
Okay. Now you are aware about special moves, right?
Yeah, the rook.
Okay.
You mean the
Yes.
yeah castling.
How do you write this move as?
That is O in O like with a stripe in between.
Yes. So that's the thing. Now here.
That is D6.
Okay. How do you write this move? This is going to be a tricky
Uh,
little bit.
and D2.
Then how about this move?
Is it also ND2?
Okay. Now, how can you differentiate between this knight moving to d2 and this knight moving to d2?
I have no idea actually.
Okay. So, whenever you are two pieces, I mean same pieces, can come to a single square means you have to look at the file or the rank in which the piece is in.
So if you do that knight, it will go for then you say F3 of NF3 D2.
Yes, that is accurate. if I move this here, this is nf3 d2.
Okay.
Now the same thing, if I move it here,
Then you say NB1 D2.
yes, okay. Next we will go ahead and castle and play, let's say this move and this move. Now, how do you write this move as?
Is that BC4 and then an X to
Okay,
EX?
okay. So that is quite accurate. You are telling from which square the bishop is and to which square it is going. So that's fine. Now this.
That is then F7X E6.
Okay. Now let's make one more.
I don't know the notate. Oh, is it QB3?
Yes, it is QB3. Now let's make a move. This is fine. Now we'll just okay. This move.
Uh, RE8.
Okay. RE8.
B. Oh, wait, yeah. That is then BC5 X BE3.
E3 is yeah, that should also be fine. You are saying which piece is present on E3 square as well, so that is fine. Now this is
Is that is
F7
that
E3.
is that
Now,
usual or is that
huh?
unnecessary that I say the notation of the pawn that is that gets eaten?
So so what happened here? You are saying BC5 into BE3, right?
Yeah,
So basically, what you are saying is my black bishop was on C5, and next it has captured a bishop which was present on E3.
yeah.
So you are giving a full description of what is happening on the board.
So it's not wrong, but it's
It's
usually
not
not
wrong.
not. But yeah, okay,
It's not necessary to actually say BC5 into BE3, but if you are giving a full description, then you will understand which piece was there on E3 square.
yeah, okay, understood.
So that's the main reason. So it's not wrong as such, but you can write it. So BC5 into E3 is sufficient, but if you write full description, then it for your reference itself it becomes good for you. Okay, so that's fine.
Okay,
Now let me make a move here. Now, how do you write this move as?
uh, R is that RA1? I don't know. Is it RA1 to
RA is correct. Okay,
yeah,
RA is correct. Which square it moved to?
to D1?
Yes, RA D1.
But
So
the oh, okay, yeah,
RA D1. From A file, it is moving to D1.
yes. Okay,
Okay.
yeah.
Now, if I move it here, how do you write this move?
Is that uh is that K A H A A
Yes.
H
Okay. Now,
H1?
yes,
Yeah.
KH8 is correct. Okay. Let me make another move.
That is
Here. Now, how do you write this as?
is that uh A5? I don't know. I have
So you are aware about n pass, right?
Yeah, of course. Yeah,
Okay. So uh, a5 to which square it is going?
it's going to b6.
Okay. Is there a capture?
Yes, the one on b5.
So you have to combine both of this, and then in between you have to put a capture.
So you a5 b5 b6.
Okay. So the pawn is on b5 here. So the pawn was directly pushed to b5.
Yeah,
But while you are doing n pass, a pawn is going to b6, and it is not something like the pawn is on b5 and you are capturing the pawn on b5, but the black pawn had to pass through the b6 square and move to b5.
yeah.
So this pawn is basically going to b6 square and not to b5 square.
Okay, but it captures the pawn on b5, right? So
Yes, it
why not?
catches the pawn on b5. So this you write it as a5 into b6.
Okay,
So that's the
b.
difference here. Yeah.
So wait, can you? So it's but it's not a5 x b. Wait, I don't know. I have no clue now. I'm a
Okay.
bit of.
Okay. So here, which square the if you say a5 into b5, that means a5 cross b5. The pawn should be
Yeah,
here.
yeah, but that's not happening. It's going to
Yes.
b6.
Yes. So you have to write a5 into which square and the destination square.
b6. So
Yes.
a a5 x b6.
Yes. a5 into b6.
So you don't mention b5.
No, because here for n%, the pawn is moving from its base location, which is b7, to directly to b5.
Ah, okay.
So for n%, what is the rule? When the pawn is directly moving to b5, the white pawn on a5 should immediately either capture b6, or in the next move it cannot capture, right?
Yeah. Oh, okay. So okay. Yeah, I understand now. So there's no other way for a pawn to go sideways, only to capture. So it's yeah. Okay,
So
I
that's why
understand.
it is going to b6 square. Next move, let's say I make a move like this. Now I cannot capture it like this. So
Yeah,
now the pawn is already on b5.
I
If
understand.
if if there was a white pawn on a4, now it could also capture the pawn on b5, and you write it as a4 into b5.
Yeah,
But earlier, when the pawn was directly moved to b5, the destination square for the a5 pawn is b6. So it is a5 into b6.
yes,
Now, the only thing here is um, when you are pushing the pawn two squares and there is a uh, pawn on a5. uh, Now, when you push the pawn here directly, it is kind of crossing over the square where the pawn is covering here.
yeah,
So that is the reason why when I push the pawn to b5, you write it as um, uh, that's the thing for n%, but you just capture it like this, and the destination square to which it is moving, you write it as that. So it is a5 into b6.
Okay.
Now, if I capture this,
Uh, A7 XB6.
yes, okay. Now let me make a move like this.
That is then RH1.
Okay. So, H1, do you see where it is at?
Sorry, can you repeat one more time?
H1 square,
Yeah.
where is it?
It's now at H1. A1.
No.
A1.
Yes, RA1. Now let me capture.
Or then you say A uh, RA8 X H1. A1.
Yes, RA8 into A1. Now let me capture this.
R uh, uh, R wait, RH RA1 X A1.
Okay. Now, uh, where is the white rook at?
It's at uh, F1.
Okay. So
Oh,
first,
RF1 X A1.
yes. So basically, means uh, first piece is capturing a second piece. Now,
Yeah.
when you are keeping, if you say RA1 X F1, that means the first piece is capturing the second piece. So the first piece is on A1 square and you are capturing the F1 square.
Yeah.
So if you are capturing from F1 to A1, then you write the capturing piece at the first. So it is RF1 and then X, which means you are capturing, and the piece which is present at A1. Or you can just write A1 also.
Yeah.
So that is R F1 X A1. Okay, now let's go ahead.
The K KG8.
Yes. Okay. Let me make this
QB5.
this.
That is ND4.
Okay.
Or that is, yeah, that's ND4.
ND4, yes.
That is QB5XQD7.
Yes. Now,
That is ND4 of ND of NF3.
okay. So you can write it that way or you can write it as NXF3
Right.
since it was a
NX3.
capture here.
Oh, it was. I didn't see the capture.
Okay. So, and let me capture.
That is G2X F3.
Okay.
That is NF6 XQD7.
Okay.
That is RH7.
Okay. So
RA.
left,
RA.
yes, left side always starts with A file, then B file, and right side will be H file.
H. Yeah.
Okay.
And for black, of course, to flipped.
Yes. For black it will be flipped. So next let me make this one.
That is RC8,
Okay. Next, let me make this one.
uh, KF2,
Okay.
NC5,
Okay.
KE2,
Okay. Let me get my team.
that is KF7,
Okay.
B4,
Okay.
ND7, KD2.
Okay. So I think this part related to notations, I think this much should be sufficient. Like when we start the next class, I think I'll be able to explain the openings. So using the notations, I will be explaining the openings. So like I would like to know like